Hi dearest, how are you all doing? So today I want to show you this great lovely turban I made. Would you call it a turbanator? And some of you might remember it and you would soon get to know. But there's a little twist I did to it, so I said I would let you have it in this video. Now I went out to the market and I wore this turban. I couldn't find the picture where I wore it. I found this one when I wore it to go to church, and I met a client there already who said she wanted the black of it. Okay, so I got into the market, and the first thing I did was I bought the shining pulley. And if you remember, what we did was we used thick pulley inside the to make the pleated part. But this time around, I'm making use of padded or wadding, or what else would you call it, interfacing. Now this interfacing is, if you measure the width so that you're able to get the right width, you measure it, it will give you 0.2 inches. That's the width. So instead, if you watch the video, if you haven't watched the video, I will drop the link just at the end of this video so that you can go there and see how that was made with the padded. So the same way that you can see me do is what I did with the padded pulley, but this time around I'm making use of the padded interfacing or water. Remember, it's 0.2 inches. And then I started searching for a material that would come out like, okay, I called it sequence lace. That's what I called it. I don't know whether that's what it's called in the market, but lace that has sequence on it. So I found this beautiful one, and it was going to go perfectly well with the black and give it a blend that the person will be able to wear it with different colors of material. If you look at it, it will flow with any color of material. So here is where I made the rose to put on it. Now if you don't know how to make roses, you need to join me in the Craft Academy. We'll show you how to make various brooches and roses. We even have a new class coming up on the 6th of July. That's just 3 days away, and it's on a new brooch design. You don't want to miss that. So of course, after you have made the roses, now I made use of the sequence lace material to make the roses, and that gave this turban a lovely dash on it. Now if you cannot, that's the thing about our job, sometimes you can find exactly the same material that you saw in the video. Now just improvise, think of what you can do. I'm sure, I don't know how many of you saw the video from one of my students who used chicken, got the feathers from chicken, and she dyed it with food dye, not even the usual car paint spray that you see me using. She used food dye to dye her own. And what else again? Of recent, there's another one she sent to me. I'll put it up. If you want to see it, do let me know in the comment section below. She used beans, my sisters, to make pearls and put it on a stone. If you see what she made with it, lovely. So if you want to see that video, do let me know in the comment section below. Now we're done with the roses. Now the next thing is to cut out the pattern. That's why you need to take note of the sequence lace that you buy to make this particular design. It has to have patterns on it. Like you can see, you can cut out some stylish things here. There are some like flower patterns on it, and so that's what I'm cutting off. So you don't get a plain one that you cannot cut out patterns. No, it won't be able to give you this exact design. So you go around, and as usual, I love to speak in tongues when I can't find something, and the Lord will just direct me. Actually was about buying another one, not this one, and when she got it out, I just kept on looking at it, and the next thing, oh, that's by the Spirit, just turned my eyes to see this lovely gorgeous material, and immediately I saw it, I knew, yes, Sketch, this is the material you need to use. Don't look no further. Don't go nowhere. Just pick that material. And that's what I did. And when I finished, trust me, the client was so happy. She loved the turban. And as I said, I will call it turban or turbanator. All right, do let me know if you're gaining value from my plenty talk this afternoon, or you're gaining value from the little tips, or you're gaining value that you can not only use padded pulley. Is padded pulley, right? What's it called again? Okay, yes. My sisters and brothers, it is not padded, it is foam pulley. Yes, what I used for the previous one was foam pulley, but this time around I made use of the padded material. Some of you call it interfacing, some of you call it wording. Now take note, as I said, the thickness of it is 0.2. Is this, it's almost like what they used to make duvet. It's soft, it's not the hard one that is like cotton. So as you can see all the patterns that I was able to cut out from it, and that's what I used to just put around. In fact, this finally turned out to be finer than that wine one. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below. So remember to stay right till the end of this video, so especially for those who have not watched the video before when I made the wine one, because I'm going to be putting that at the end of the video, so you can just click it and immediately start watching how to make this gorgeous, lovely turban. So I'll see you later. So just stay through to the end. Take care and happy new month.